leadership.
Jotelo mopogore opogore ne oriwore gi wede osiepe kod anyuola chiwo neno ewi mosenindo George Oduor mane en jating dai kendo jarit mar Raila Odinga e nyasi mar alam mane obage kanisa mar House of Grace Lang'ata. Kane otene gi jatend migao mar teko Pio Wandayi gi josiasa mamoko gipuoyo mosenindo George Oduor kalore kod kido mare kod kaka ne otiyo tije. Ringre mosenindo Oduor kinyne kow gi ndege nyaka e alap ma Kisumu motelo ne ik mare chieng' Ngeso e pare mandori e kaunti ma Siaya. George Oduor ne owito ngimane chieng' Tich Adek mokalo e buore Nairobi.
George was the beloved husband to Karen, a woman.
George brought order by being able to tell that the direction has changed and so needs to be here. So the boss will not tell you, I am changing direction, I need so and so, but George had the ability to sense that the direction has changed. I need to tell my colleagues to move in this direction. We will miss that.
And he'll be surely missed. I thank you all and to his wife and the family. Poleni sana, we will stand with you, and I'm sure you'll also stand with us.
But I will talk about George nikiwa home, Ndori, because saa ni machache. Nikianza kuongea juu yake tutalala hapa.
You can see George has left earlier. But the book of Ecclesiastes says there's a time and a season. And we never know the time when all of us leave. Some are born and leave quickly, some stay late.
On one fine morning, you are in an African capital, saying hi to diplomats, greeting presidents, a very calm place. The next day, you have to get Baba into Kamkunji grounds, where there's thousands of enthusiastic supporters whose love for Mzee is itself a security risk. But we had a gentleman in George who in all those circumstances remained professional.
Believe in God, because with God, everything is possible. I want to pray that the family be encouraged and to be given the fortitude to bear this very, very serious loss.